Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the Supreme and Nike Air Max 1 for spring 2025 drop. I believe I got a couple of the hats. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, if you spend $250 or more, you get free shipping from Supreme. So let's go and then unbox it and check them out. So yeah, by the way, you guys been requesting for this video for a long time. So yeah, let's go and then do this. So I caught this doing a restock, so I got like one red box logo sticker or the decal, so I only got the shoes. I'm not sure about the hats. Got the red box logo right there on the front hit. Got this glossy Nike with the swoosh logo. Again, got the Nike with the swoosh logo right here in a glossy black color. Got a smaller Nike swoosh. So this one's the white on white Nike Air Max 1 87 SP, size 8.5. So the shoes is made in China, so here's all their swoosh logo and everything. Just do it. Nike Air Sole. So on the tissue paper, you have the Nike swoosh logo with the white Supreme box logo. It's scattered all over this tissue paper. And that's like a blue stamp over here, in case you guys want to do some legit check. Looks pretty nice. Got the nice embroidery right here. It says world famous. Got the swoosh logo right here. Got the airbag. It's 1994 stitching right here, and then the Supreme. Get the swoosh embroidery right here in a silver color. Okay, and then on the back you got the Supreme. Got the Nike swoosh and then Air. they come with two laces. One is plain like a cream white color, or like a off white, and the other one's like a Supreme logo on there. And you got the Nike swoosh Air and Supreme plastic tag in the chain. Air Max. And on the tip it says world famous. On both tips. So yeah, let's do a try on feet and check them out.